All right, so I'm gonna do this series where I'm gonna try and remake and better my current marionette. You know what I mean? This is what my marionette looked like. This is what I did in high school, not too long ago. This is the assembly part of all the parts and list. If you want to see what my other things I made, they would be here. I could put this in the description maybe, but this is gonna be a this is gonna be a multi-part video where I make every single part. Well, should, and it will take some time to process on what specific things I want to do, because I'm not gonna get a full on I'm just gonna measurements wise I am gonna just do it just to do it. You know what I mean? I don't have a plan on how big or small it is gonna be. Usually I do things small, because like it's easier to scale. But and kind of, I'm not gonna like. Maybe I'll use some things as reference, but yeah. Now, I guess it's time to get into it. Let me go into here. All right. So I guess we're gonna start off with. Let's start off with the main body, because that's like the most important part. So yeah, I'm not really too sure what I want to do. Um, I know I said I wanted to do it, but I don't really know. All right, so let's do. Oh, I don't like inches. Let me change that. Manage. So yeah, I'm using Inventor 2026. I don't remember. How do I change it again? Environment? Nope. Collaborate. It's been a while. Manage. Wait, is it this? I don't think so. All right. Sorry, had to sneeze right there. Okay. Is it add rules? I'm not too. No, it's not. Inspect. Tools. It's tools. I'm sorry. Document settings. Units. Don't like inches. I like using I like using millimeters. I go for centimeters and millimeters. So yeah. This isn't. This is like a This is like a design software. Pretty expensive, but I get to do it for free because I have a student account. So yeah. Let's do maybe 7-9 doesn't seem bad. Let's do that. 7 dimensions. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I will probably change this main part a lot. Like everything isn't final, that's for sure. 10. That's not bad. 10 is not bad. I'll do 10. Depending on how big the other stuff is, it should be fine. Basic. Okay. Let's start off with the top part for the head. I don't know. You don't do it like that. Sorry. Let me delete this. I don't need that sketch. Let me get the origins out. The planes. Visibility. There goes. New sketch. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's do 2. This is a hard part to think about, because the thing is, the head doesn't really need too much movement, but it's like always nice to have it. So I'll do 1.5. 1.5 sounds good. The reason why I'm doing this is mostly because just I just know that I could do so much better. There goes. Let me. Wait, what was it? Like 1.5, right? Makes sense if it was. Yeah, 1.5. Now I will finish that. I'm gonna revolve, if I remember doing this right. And cut. I guess not. Right, I need to actually have... Because I just cut it like that. That should be good. Revolve this on this axis, and I'll cut it. Perfect. Now, I go new sketch on here, and I'll do a 1.5. No, hole. No, I'll do a 1mm hole. Each. I just realized this is super small compared to the like this. I might. I'm not too sure. It's like I still think it's. Like things like this makes me want to also restart it. Let's go for 1.5. All right. Let's go to. Let's see how that is. I can't really tell, so that's why I'm just gonna. Wait, what? How do I? I should be able to. Like. Well, that's weird. It's been a while since I used this software. However, how do I see the section? Because, okay, I could look at like that, but I do want to. Okay, I should. I don't like that. Why can't I not? There should be things like right here at the. Or I could like cut it in half, but I guess I can't. So what I'm gonna do now, instead of doing that, I'm just gonna project geometry right here. Extrude. Cut. To here. Okay, I mean, it should be fine. I don't like how small it is. I could make it bigger. But, I could always just make the body smaller. Things like this frustrate me because it doesn't come out and doesn't come to fruition. Let me delete that. Yeah, I'm gonna make it bigger. I don't like how I need to make it bigger, but I do. Okay, so I'm gonna add the sketch. Making this instead of 1.5, I'll do 3. Oh, that's 4. Yes, that's big. Okay. Let me delete this one. Oh wait, here it is. Yeah, I was looking for that specifically. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. Do we delete this? Okay. Yeah, it is gonna show an error, I'm pretty sure. Maybe things stop moving. There it goes. Now this is gonna be like what, 3? See, I don't like how big that is. What if I do 2.5 instead? 2.5. I still, it's still alright. It was not the best. Okay, let me see how it looks after it. Cancel. Oh wait, no. Accept. Delete the revolution. Don't consume. Revolve. Witness access. Cut. Now for this one, I'm gonna have to make. Oh, cancel. Let's make this 2. No, that's 12. Hey, you see how massive that is? Like, I need to extrude it more. For I did 2.5, so this should be 2.5. Well, you don't, not really, but you know, you could just put it 2, since it's like, yeah, this should, yeah, no, that's fine. Then, if you want, you could go to the sketch, click on this. Oh, wait. New sketch here. Then you could do this. Nope, never mind. I was, I'm annoyed. Whatever. Okay, that should be alright, I think. It should be alright. I hope. Now it's time for the arms. So for this, I'm thinking of, for the arms, I'm not too sure what I want. I want it limited, but not too limited. I want it to have some freedom. And right here, I could either go for a ball, where I could just have the, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it as what I had before. Oh wait, because of this. Oh, I'm on a sketch. Yeah. Okay. Let's have it. Um, 1.5. Let's do 2. No, let's do. $2.5 maybe? No. Maybe 2.5. Let's try 2.5. Okay. Then I'll make. Yeah, I'll make a hole. Where it's not going to be 2.5. Instead, it's going to be 2. Wait, no. I messed up again. Sorry about that. You're not supposed to start there. And once again, it's been a while since I've used this. Not that long, but you know. Long enough. I do new sketch here. Yeah. Now, the thing is. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you see it now. Now, this is where the problem lies. I want. Alright. Right. Let me just project geometry. There goes. That's easier. I want it roughly 1.5 isn't bad. But I wanted more though. This is what I don't like about. You see what I mean? Cause I wanted. Maybe I should. I was about to say a bad thing. Maybe I should. I'm gonna keep it just. I want it as 2. Yeah, it should still be alright, I hope. Then I want it down at 2.5. If I could find it. Okay. Oh, I can just type it in. I could always go lower. I could always do that. But I'm you see that? Okay, you see this. That is not good. Especially if we're trying to 3D print this. It's gonna make this, I mean, it's still possible. But it's gonna look ugly. That's the thing. It's gonna look super ugly if you do it like this. So I could just make it lower. I think I should just I should just do that like 4 lower. And have it as 2.5 still. So yeah. Yeah, that should be fine. That should be fine. Is it gonna look like what I wanted? No, it's not. But nothing, you gotta know that nothing is gonna come your way. You gotta just roll. You just gotta roll with it, man. And sometimes it could come out even better than you expected. However, I don't like that. I want everything to go my way. So I think it. I don't know. I think it's whatever. No. Like I said, I'm gonna roll with it. I'm gonna roll with it. Okay. How long did I go for? I went 4. 4 down. Then I went 2.5. So this is gonna be a 2. Dun 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 dun. Extrude down. 2. I think it's fine, right? I don't remember how I went. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this, but this is how I do it. So yeah, new sketch. Do this. You see how these are the same thing. This is different actually. This is longer. Well, this is shorter. But yeah. Then, as you probably could tell, I'm going to have 1 here. Because I'm going to have another one, like on my other marionette, my first marionette, where it had like a bottom torso. This is just a main body, where you have the head, the arm piece, bottom, then you'll have the legs. It's very simple, but very hard, because you gotta really, because you want it to look good, but sometimes it can't always look good, unless you're really good. I'm really basic at this. I'm not good at designing stuff, but, not to brag, but I did make the helmet. That's the best thing I made. I know, funny, because you could really tell, like, how basic these things are. I don't want these to. That's why I'm changing that. I want it to look better. The feet, I really just gave up on the feet. I do want to make that better. This was supposed to be like a knight at first, you know. Funny enough, the head was like the last thing I made, I think. No, the legs, the feet were the last. Same with the hands. I wanted the hands to be different though, you know what I mean? But yeah, the head was like the best thing. And I think it's because I had so much inspiration, as you can see. So yeah, I'm hoping I can make something better than that. And make it more, you know, good looking. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the experience of going through what goes on my mind. Project geometry. Dun 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 dun. I did. Now this is where I don't remember much things. You see, it's really good if you like could remember what you did. But again, I go with the flow. I don't really. don't really write down things down. I think it's 1.5. That's a 6. See, that's not right. That's not right. It is indeed 2.5. If that, I could always just check it on this side also. But I could have just, I'm pretty sure I could have mirrored it. Mirrored the thing with my first time I did it. But I don't know if I could. That's the thing. It's not 2.5. That's not right. I'm assuming it's 2 then. 2 sounds right. Well, mostly because 2.5 isn't right. Bum 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 bum. There goes 180. That looks correct. I hope. I could just always project geometry. Nope, never mind, I can't. Okay, whatever. Time to roll with it. Time to roll with it. Actually, let me just do this because, you know, I don't want to do this and be incorrect. Stop. 180. 4. Then this itself should be, yeah, 2.5. Okay, that's good. Okay, good. I got it right. My first try? Nope. But I got it right. It's 2. I kept saying 2.5. I wonder why. What's my deal with 2.5? Okay, stay there. 4 millimeters. Circle. You know, just using basic shapes. That's the only thing I know how to use. Put basic shapes together and you get something cool. That rhymed. No, it didn't. Bum 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 bum. That doesn't look straight. That's because of the, okay. It's fine. Revolve. Select those axes. Nope, not that one. That one. Cut. It's a box. It's a box, dude. That's hilarious. Okay, so I gotta go 4 down. Now I did 2.5. So this is 2. Unless I did it wrong again. Extrude. Okay. And cut. Not extrude. Cut. Yeah, same thing. You see how blocky it is? It's so basic. But again, I'm gonna try and refine it today. Whoa, I was about to do the wrong thing again. New sketch. Do this. It goes. That's the inner portion. Yippee. So, I don't know if I should do the same as this. That's the thing. I don't want it like that big. But I'm not gonna change that because I'm lazy. Yep, I am indeed lazy. I'll do 2.5. What's me with 2.5? I have no idea. It's crazy. Then I guess I'll do this as 2. No, actually no. 2.5. That's alright. Once again, I am also a very lazy person. So, yeah. Finish sketch. Revolve. Select the axis. Click on that. Cut. Perfect. I'm not gonna lie, this is not something you should try. What I'm doing is not good if you really want to learn how to use this program. Because I'm I'm not a good example. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. And there it goes. Okay, that looks good. Looks good, 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 good. Okay, so now I gotta find some references. So yeah, as in like what I want the thing to look like. So let me go to Google and type in knight armor. Alright, and I guess I'm gonna also show you the screen. Alright. Let's see. That's basic. That's nice. Maybe I could do that actually, cause like, maybe something like that. Oh, this one looks good. That's cool. Little designs and stuff. Ooh. It doesn't look that good to me. Like, I might go with the... maybe. Not too sure on that one. Oh yeah, if I do something like this, I'm not gonna do the cloth. I don't know how to do that, and I'm pretty sure that's just like impossible. Ooh, that looks nice, but maybe not. That looks cool. However, I do not want to do this. Like, I want it to be fully metal. Ooh. This looks nice. Maybe. It's not for certain, but maybe. No. Ooh. I like the design of that. Like the one that really I like the most. Maybe. The one I like the most would be not the first one I saw, but somewhere at the top. Was it this one? Yeah, this one. Maybe something like this. Again, it's not going to be exactly like that. Alright, I guess let's just try it. So I'm going to have to try and make it slimmer when it's going down. Okay, let me try that. Okay. Let's try something like that. But it's not gonna be that good. I'm just saying. Let's cut this. Oh, it doesn't matter. I don't know why I did that. No. Okay. That's like there. I do have to remember that I do have this here, which is a 2. Let's do 2.5. So I do have something right there. So if I try going somewhere right here to right there maybe. But again, that looks a little bit it's like going down too slim. What if I do? This has 4. Now I think that's actually, maybe that might be good. Who knows? Okay, let's try it. It looks weird. Okay, extrude. That and that. Cut. Through all. Okay. Yeah, there's some space down there, but then maybe it is a bit too much actually. I did 4. Yeah, I'm not gonna do like cloth. Maybe I do, you know, but that's like another side project. Okay, let's do 6 instead, because I don't think 5 would be good. Let's try that. Ooh, maybe this could go good. I just realized, is that full? Is that yeah, it is. Okay. Okay. Maybe this is fine, but it is again too blocky. Oh, but first, I do want to try layering it. Project geometry. Then scale. No, I can't. I can't do that. Click. Clack. Click. Clack. Click. Clack. Okay. Now, if I did that right, I could click this. Yes. Clickety, clackety, clickety, clackety. Then, oh wait, I don't have a point. Okay, let me try finding the middle point. Shouldn't be hard. Is that the middle? Who knows? Like, who knows, actually? Who truly knows? I could just do this real quick. It's 10-9. Was it 10-9? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, right there. Okay, I'm gonna do a little circle over there, just so I could have a little point. Then I could scale. These sides. There it is. To this base point. It is constrained to other geometry. Would like to? Yes, I do. Nice. You see? Perfect. Let's see. Let's. If I do, okay. That's a 1. Let's do 8. 0.8. Not 8, but 0.8 specifically. Then I will want to extrude that. Each 10 is a bit too much. By 2. That seems good. Whoa, wait. There goes. Nice. Oh. No, 2 is a bit too much. Yeah, that's too much. I thought it was like small, but nope. Let's do 1. 0.5. Let's do 0.5. Alright, so let us flip this. All these angles. To give it more depth. That's not bad. However, this is a bit too thick, isn't it? So, let me... Okay, well, here's what I'm going to do. Was it this one? Yeah. I have it as 7. So what if I try change it to 6? That looks. Ooh, maybe 5 instead. Let's do 5. Okay, that looks good. I hope. If not, I could just do 4. Yeah, let's do 4 instead. Because I am going to want to add a third one. Well, not a third one, but another layer over this. Okay, that should be good. Nothing should have messed up. Alright. Fillet. This part. This part. This part. This part. This part. And this part. I don't have to add a third part. No, I do. I want to do it. New sketch. We'll go back down. Project geometry. Now we'll just do the same thing we did before. Oh wait, cancel. Rectangle. I'm gonna be doing 9, 10. Nine. Perfect. I received a message. What is this? Greetings, welcome to the History of Popular Music. Fully online, asynchronous course, meaning there are no scheduled or in-person class meetings. Assignments are completed by the posted deadlines and lessons. Course generally runs week to week, with each weekly module opening on one day, being due by 11:59 p.m. each Sunday. Trying something a bit different this year, where you'll be asked to complete the content in previous modules before moving on to the current ones. Because content of the... Okay. Alright. Well, back to work. Sorry, I was a little busy with my class that I got. Okay. What was I doing again? Right. Trying to find 4.5. Don't care the size of that. Then I'll do line by line. There. Have that go here. Have that go here. Now I could scale this down. Boop, bada boop, bum, that, into this point. Yes. Now let's do 7.5 seems good. Yeah, let's do 7.5. Well, 0.75. Alright. Now we're going to extrude this to 0.3. Because I don't want it to be too big. Now, time to fillet these sides. I forgot about the hole. Oh, maybe the hole could be... maybe I could make a design on there, actually. Yeah, I see there's depth to it. Looks like a shield, but whatever. Maybe I should make a design. I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. But let me quickly... There goes. As you guys probably don't know, but I had a design I always do on almost every project I do. And I say almost because like I didn't do this until like my junior year maybe, and then the senior year I made it better, but you know, winners can't be choosers. All right, here it is. It's very basic indeed, but very hard to do if I wanted to make it look good. I think I should do like that. Bum 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 bum. Let's do 0.7. Maybe maybe 0.8. I don't like doing weird numbers. I'm not gonna lie. No, 0.75. 0.75 is good. 0.75. Then I'll do. No, wait. I want it at an angle actually. Can I do it at an angle? I don't know. Yeah, I can't. That sucks. Whatever. I could probably just use this as a reference. Let's do. Can I find a good degree at this? Okay, you know what? No. I'm gonna use my first design for my. Because I'm too lazy to do that. Maybe later on I'll make it better, but you know, it's whatever. Enter. Now I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna do a 0.5. And going up by 0.25. Once again, this is not going to be the best looking crown. If you haven't figured it out, it's supposed to be a crown. Maybe you have. Maybe my design is good, but not to me. Now let's go to 0.5. Then going up for 0.25. Ooh, this is the hard part. Not really. Let's do 1. Yeah, 1's good. 1's good enough. Alright. So that is it. It's not good, but it's the best I could do currently. No, it's not, but you know. Let's do 0.1 for this. Alright. That's not actually, that's just, ooh, yeah, no, that's fine. Now for the back part, that's the thing.
I tried to get into my room, but it wouldn't work. So like, what do I do? Yeah, it flashed red. Do I just call it the same person as last time? No.
Let's do. What do I champ for this? Maybe. Ooh, actually, that's not bad. And if I fillet it to make it more rounded. No, I don't like that. I like it more rigid.
Yeah, you with your big food.
I think I don't like that. I also don't like that. That's the thing. Oh, stop. I guess this is the best it could be. What am I gonna do for the back part? I got the front part already. I like the front part, not the back part. I want to do something complicated there. But I really don't want to do it though. I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna do it anyways. Why not? I'm actually gonna need it to do. Yeah, I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna sketch. Project geometry. Let's do rectangle. I don't know what to do here. That's the thing. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay. No, why did? Oh my god, I need to do this. There it goes. Oh wait, no, wait. There. Forget that sketch. Oh wait, come back. Well, I'm gonna do this anyways, I guess. That's the middle. I go 2 millimeters up. I go 4 down. Ooh, that's the thing. That's a little bit too big, isn't it, though? That's fine. I'll do 1. I'll do 1. Let's do 4. Then we'll do like this. Let's see. I think it should be. I want it more up actually. Yeah, I don't like how uncentered that is. Let's go. Okay, what if I do? This has 3. Then, well, yeah, it's still 4. So, yeah. Perfect. So, this is going to be 2. Yeah, I like that. And see if this truly does work. One. Yeah, that's not bad. Except. Now. Let's try doing this. If I remember how to do this, actually, I'm not too sure. I have zero clue if I'm doing this right. Loft. That. No, it's not loft. It is gonna be coil? Is it coil? Maybe it is. No, it's not. It's not coil. Sweep? Maybe. Oh, it is sweep. Yeah. You probably could tell already what it is, but I'm gonna. Can I do want to make this better. New sketch. Okay. Yeah. Something like that. Extrude that. Do that. Let's do 20. Whoa, never mind. Let's do 10. Then I could just do this. Project geometry. Extrude for 4. That's ugly. That's ugly. That's ugly. That is indeed ugly. I mean, I could always just do this. Okay. Let me project geometry of this. Finish. I'm going to cut this. Cancel. Yes. And cut through all. No, I haven't that little. Oh, no. But I think that should be okay. Alright. I can just do this. Project geometry. Extrude. Cut. New sketch. Oh, there's there. Project geometry. Alright. Extrude. 2. Not 3. Yeah, not 2. Then I'm gonna oh wait, okay, no, that's fine. Extrude. No, why is it not is it not connected? Why is it not connected? I'm annoyed. Why no connection? Oh, that's why. Extend. There it goes. Perfect. Extrude. Cut. Perfection. No, it's not. But this doesn't mean fill it can't fix it. Make it more rounded. Make it more good looking. You see that part looks this part looks rigid, but now it doesn't look good. Maybe let me see what this looks like. No way, Jose. That does not look good. That does not look good. Okay. Okay, what if I just do these? Do those parts only first. Okay, I just edit this sketch again. You know. Okay. Let's see how that looks. That to make it more. I was trying to make it look like dragon wings, but I guess not. Okay, point 4. Yeah, I'm just not gonna do the whole thing as that. I'm not gonna do the second one, dude. That's a bit too much work. Extrude. All right. I could loft it, that's for sure. So I'm gonna have to do. I put a sketch here. Project this geometry. Let's do one. No, let's do 0.5. Yeah, looks better. Plane right there. Wait, what? No. Go up by 0.5. New sketch. Let's do 0.4. Now then, we're going to loft that to here. Now we're going to chamfer That's not good enough. That looks like, that does not look like a dragon wing. Alright, I'm gonna probably, I can't finish this today.